Hi, this is Matt Stegman with Aqueous Solutions LLC, makers of the Geochemist Workbench. Today, I'll show you how to make a mosaic diagram in Act 2. This example considers the speciation of the arsenic-sulfur system. Begin in the basis pane by choosing arsenite as the diagram species, and we'll set its log activity. On the x-axis, I'll set pH. And on the y-axis, dissolved oxygen. To the basis, I'll add sulfate as a complexing species and set its log activity. By default, Act 2 considers the complexing ion only in its indicated form. A mosaic diagram, however, accounts for its speciation with one or both diagram axes. To implement the feature, check Speciate over XY. Finally, I'll set the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius. Move to the plot pane to reveal the mosaic diagram for the arsenic-sulfur system. Dashed lines show the mosaic boundaries, which represent sulfur speciation. You can turn on their labels by going to Format, Appearance, and checking the Mosaic Labels box. You can turn the mosaic feature off by unchecking Speciates over XY in the basis for sulfate. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description or visit our website at gwb.com to learn more about the Geochemist's Workbench.